subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Lenovo is reportedly gearing up to launch its new smartphone under K series called Lenovo K13. And before the launch, the upcoming phone renders and key specifications had surfaced online. According to leaks, the Lenovo K13 will support a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a water drop notch at the top center that will house an 5-megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone will feature a vertically aligned dual camera setup at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The dual ray camera includes a 13-megapixel main camera along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor. The smartphone is said to come powered by an unknown 1.6 GHz octa-core processor paired with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, which will be expandable via microSD card slot. The handset will run on Android 10 out of the box, and it will come equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery that will charge over a Type-C charging port. Additionally, the device also spotted to feature an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and the leak renders also suggest the phone to come in red and blue color options. Apart from this, there is no other details of Lenovo K13 has leaked so far. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Lenovo K13 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.